The FDA proposed a ban on menthol-flavored cigarettes and all flavors in cigars just last week. In part, it's the kind of move some have been pushing for since 1964, when federal regulators stopped companies from advertising overall to certain demographics. And the tobacco industry pivoted to focusing on African-American communities when it comes to these products, doing things like sponsoring events like jazz festivals. What kind of relationship have Sacramento County smokers had with menthol? For that, we turn to Dr. Olivia Kisire, Public Health Officer for Sacramento County. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Sansari. Thank you for having me here.
Definitely. Messaging out there from Tobacco Free California has said that Big Tobacco uses menthol to kill black communities and that tobacco-related diseases kill more black Americans than cars, AIDS, and murders combined. Why have menthol-flavored smokes turned out to be so dangerous?
Well, we know the adverse health effects of smoking, heart disease, lung disease, cancer, and it even affects young babies as young as newborns. And what the menthol flavors do, the same as other flavors, is that they make it easier for people to initiate smoking, and it makes it more difficult for them to stop smoking. So basically increases the number of people that start smoking, especially during their teenage years. And we know that African American communities have been targeted with menthol, and we know that about 9 out of 10 of African Americans who smoke actually smoke menthol flavored cigarettes.
Wow. Research shows that sales prices for these kinds of items are actually cheaper in black, Latino, and lower income neighborhoods, but something like 2/3 of black California smokers choose menthol cigarettes compared to only 19% of their white counterparts. So price can't be the only reason why. So what else is going on here in your opinion?
A lot of it is also advertising and also convenience. In a lot of the disadvantaged communities, you see a lot of ads, and you also find a lot of stores that are selling these cigarettes, so making it easier for people to access, having these stores close to schools so that it is tempting for school children. And again, when you have these flavors in places where it's convenient and also flavors that attract young people, it makes it easier for them to get addicted.
You're talking about stores in the state's Healthy Stores, Healthy Communities survey. About 8,000 businesses tracks many things about the availability and sale of tobacco products. The latest results are from 2019. And between 2013 and 2016, there was a more than 5 percentage point drop in the number of stores offering menthol cigarettes. But between 2016 and 2019, those numbers started to trend back up just slightly, 0.5%, but still that's a trending back up. Why do you think?
There's probably a lot of factors, but a lot of that depends on them finding out what people want to smoke and then also finding ways of actually being able to make money.
Alrighty. Right before the pandemic started, January 2020, the city of Sacramento adopted an ordinance to ban the sale of flavored tobacco products, including menthol. There would have been a statewide ban in place with SB 793. But Big Tobacco pushed for a referendum that pushed implementation. That vote is now set for November 8th of this year. But maybe this proposal by the FDA makes that process smooth. Is that your hope?
I think that we need to move at the different levels. Sacramento County also passed an ordinance just recently that will go into effect early next year. And so I think that it is still important for us to continue with the state process.
To attack it from all sides, right?
That's correct, yes.
Alrighty. Thank you so much for your insight this morning. We appreciate you.
Thank you.